Well, I haven't made any videos lately. Thing is, I've got enough video on hand, but I haven't been taking time to do any editing. It just seems to take more time than making the videos. Anyway, I got a new trailer, and the other trailer had a fitting on the front here to mount a winch or a bike rack or whatever else you wanted to mount on the front there. And I let the bracket go with the other trailer, and of course this one I want it to be aluminum as well, so that's what I'm working on right now, replacing the pegs on the winch and the bike bracket to fit the new receiver actually. So anyways, this was the first drawing at 10 inches wide, and we decided to go a little wider and make it 12 inches. So there's the new version of it. That'll be a piece of 1.5 inch square tubing that it plugs into, which the metal for it is there. I've got way more than I need, but that's okay. We have some extra. And I'm just about to take this short peg off here, replace it with a longer one, which is here, and that should go all the way down through that tube. I figured since I'm using aluminum this time around, I would make it stronger. And there's the bracket for the bike rack there. It's all ready to, well, I have to drill the hole and then weld it on there, and maybe squirt some paint on it to keep it from rusting. Anyways, I'm just going to start grinding away at that and grinding the welds off, get that other short peg off of there, and put the long one on and get everything all ready to weld, and I'll weld them both at the same time. I don't really need the winch right away that I know of, but might as well do them both while I get set up to do one. I might as well weld them both up, so that's what we're doing. Bingo. Boy, I had a lot of penetration on that weld. Still getting sparks down my neck. Well, I just got back from the welding shop and got this aluminum winch mount welded. I'm not equipped to weld aluminum here. And day before, 2 days ago, I was at my buddy's place. He has a CNC machine, and he cut this out and then cut a channel in here for this to sit down into. Just a slight one, and did all that, and a piece to go in on the inside of the C channel on the front cross member on the trailer, and at the same time, if I can just find here, and we got. Got eight of these tie bars to connect the carriage bolts to put the D-rings on the trailer deck. So I'll just show you how those look now. I've got 6 of them on there. Usually that gives me enough options to position small cars and big cars where they need to go, because there's 2 there for the Volkswagen to go on, and there's 2 there for anything that's bigger, and you can also use them to tie any other freight that you happen to be hauling. And I cut the centerpiece out of this front bump bar rail on here, because that's where the winch bracket is going to go, right on the front of the trailer right there. And the winch mount can serve whatever purpose you want it to. It also doubles as a mount for the bike rack. So anyways, let's gonna get busy and see if I can get that winch mount, get the holes drilled in the front of the trailer and get that bolted on, and that should get me caught up with getting all the hardware on the new trailer. Anyways, pitter patter, let's get at her. Goerzers. Okay. It caught me. I hate it when that happens. My guess is we're just about to break through. And I better get a better hold on it. Maybe not. should have used the vise to hold this, but then I have a vise spinning around instead of just my work piece. There we go. Nice, beautiful cut. Look at, oh my God, I'm bleeding. I'll be damned. Well, if you aren't bleeding, you're not getting anything done. Ay, ay, ay. You'll be all right. I'll live. I'm gonna get blood all over my piece of metal too. All we go to hell. Okay. I'm gonna put a slight chamfer on those holes. Just a little bit of a chamfer on it. That's a borrowed drill bit from my machinist friend Mark. So I just couldn't find the one I needed to make those holes. They have to have a little bit of clearance to make them an easy fit for the pin to go in. Well, hell, I don't have any band-aids out here either. What's this? The end of that metal is kind of sharp, I guess. I'm guessing. Look at blood all over the place. Damn. That's good. Just a little scratch. My thumb's still there, still works. It's all good. Okay, time for the chamfer. I'm going to use this bit here. Whoops, wrong way. Chucky. Put my Chucky in there and snug it up. Snug it up. One more time. My dad told me that's how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to do it through all three holes to get a nice snug fit on grip on your bit. And we'll just do this quick.